Welcome to this SEO course on making your site visible without extensive technical knowledge. Now in this practical SEO course, in video 4, we're going to be talking about WordPress. And you might ask, why are we talking about WordPress? Well, WordPress will be the most highly customizable set of website systems that will allow you to basically set up your website without having to have someone to do it for you, and to have it already configured for SEO. Now you'll need to do a little customization, and we'll be talking about that in a future video. But WordPress is the easiest way to do those things without having to know a particular coding language. So if you don't want to learn a language like HTML or CSS, WordPress is the easiest way to be able to do that. Now, we'll talk here in this video also about how you're actually going to set up WordPress. Now, WordPress is very easy to set up, and I'm actually going to show you this in this video. Now, one thing that you'll need to know first is you'll want to make sure that you have your tracking account set up with Google Analytics, and I'll show you that here in a minute. What you'll do is to go to google.com, and then you'll type in Analytics. And then when you get to the Analytics website, you're going to click the link. And what you'll then need to be able to do then is you'll need to create an account. Now once you create your free account, then you'll be ready to actually get set up on WordPress, which I am going to actually show you in this video also. Okay, so go to Google Analytics, set up your free account, and set up your free account for your website. Now the next thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that when you set up your website and you actually get hosting for your website, that you'll want to do that with Fantastico. Once again, Fantastico is going to be the easiest way for you to set up your WordPress site without having to know a coding language. I'm going to show you that in this video also. Now, I've entered into a dummy website, and I'm actually going to go into what's called the control panel or cPanel. And when you get into the control panel of your hosting account, what you'll need to do is to go to Fantastico. You'll look here to see Fantastico Deluxe, and then what you'll do then is click the Fantastico Deluxe symbol, and then you'll click WordPress. And what I mainly want to do is to show you how easy this is. We're going to click New Installation. Now, if you were going to do this for your website, you don't have to put anything in the directory, but since we are testing, we're going to put testing, and we're just going to put testing 23, and we're going to call the administrator testing 23, and we're going to call the password testing 23, and the admin nickname testing 23. And we are going to then go from there. We're going to click Install WordPress. We're going to click Finish Installation. And believe it or not, it is really that simple. Our WordPress site is now set up. We now have a fully functioning website. And I'm going to click here. And then we're going to log in with our login name and our password name that we created. And we are now in WordPress. If we were to go to the outside of our website, you'll notice that there is some information there, but for the most part, we have our website online, highly customizable, and ready for SEO, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. So really, having your website set up is just that easy. Making sure that you have a hosting account with Fantastico, and then using Fantastico in order to set up your website. Now there's a more difficult way that's probably a little more technical, and if your hosting account doesn't have Fantastico, this is what you'll need to do. And if you'll just go to Google and type in WordPress, I believe it's a 5-minute setup. Okay, if you Google the 5-minute setup and you click down and you go to the download page here, you'll be able to download WordPress, and WordPress will walk you through how to set up WordPress with their famous, what they call their famous 5-minute installation. But once again, I think that the easiest way for you to do this is to get a hosting account with Fantastico, and then use Fantastico in order to install WordPress at the push of a button in the same way that I just showed you. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.